Welcome to 3422 East University Drive, Unit 17. A charming 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home in Mesa's University Place community, perfectly located right across from the sparkling community pool. Step inside to find a bright, open great room with vaulted ceilings, fresh tile, and brand new carpet throughout. The kitchen offers plenty of cabinet space, a pantry, smooth top range, built-in microwave, and a reverse osmosis system for added convenience. Upstairs, you'll find the laundry room and a spacious owner's suite with its own private balcony, the perfect spot for morning coffee. The secondary bedroom includes a built-in desk area, ideal for work or study. Out back, enjoy your private retreat with a Flagstone patio, synthetic grass, and lush landscaping, low maintenance and ready to relax in. With a brand new roof, a 2-car garage, and a prime Mesa location, this home combines comfort, style, and convenience. Move in ready and waiting for you.